Hello, little artists! Do you love yummy orange juice? Today, we are going to draw a colorful glass of orange juice together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a big U-shaped cup. Make it nice and smooth. Wow, great job! Now, let's draw a straw inside the cup. Make it long and bendy. Awesome drawing! Next, draw the juice inside the cup. Just make another curved line inside. Yummy! It already looks tasty! Now, draw the handle on the side of the cup. Then draw the base at the bottom. Fantastic work, little artists! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so our artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring out our rainbow color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color. Wow, your orange juice glass looks bright, colorful, and super yummy. Awesome job today, little artists. Keep drawing and keep having fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye, friends.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.